Guys, stay tuned to the end of this video or scroll fast forward to check out another takeoff and fast launch of this beast Duramax. Guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. Behind me is an evil, blacked out, lifted beast. Check it out. This, my friends, is a 2016 GMC Sierra Denali Duramax, equipped with an Allison transmission, lifted on a 7.5-inch rough country suspension lift kit system, running on a set of Radar Renegade mud terrains. These are 37 1350 22-inch Radar Renegade R7 mud terrains. About 80% tread on the rubber, all four corners. And it's wrapped around an American Truxx. These are a 22 by 12 wheel. Machined lip with the machined face, black barrel. A little dirty right now because I just got out of detail a second ago. Factory step rails. We got a lift pump system with cat filters. And let me see. There's the underside of the truck right here. Full exhaust system. I'll get to that in just a second. She's pretty. This truck's originally from Texas. I think I bought this truck a couple of years ago. I just bought it back, took it on trade-in. Running through the outside of it, it's fairly clean. Got some rock chips and scratches, but you know, overall clean, nice truck. Denali HD, rough country shocks on all four corners, full exhaust system, tuned, deleted, axle dump, as you can see right here. It's got an axle dump exhaust system on it, and you can hear it sounds tough as shit. I want to say it's a 5-inch, I think. Let me see, 5-inch. Yeah, I want to say it's a 5-inch turbo back system. We'll go around the engine and I'll show you guys the interior, working it from the different side right now. So it's got aftermarket headlights in it, black housing headlights. The grill, when I bought it a couple of years ago, I got the perimeter of the grill painted black, blacked out GMC front and rear. Made this truck look nice. Trimmed the fenders, had to trim the front bumper. Obviously, when you're running this big of a tire on a 37, it's gonna rub unless you cut it. So we had to do that, unfortunately, but it runs and drives great and it turns phenomenal. Spray and bed liner, no fifth wheel, no gooseneck. There's the inside right here. You get Denali. The best part of driving a Denali Duramax, sounds tough as hell. Heated steering wheel, cooled seats, heated seats. This is your 5-position switch right there. All your accessories right here, including exhaust brake if you're towing something. Awesome feature. Sunroof, sliding sunroof, rear sliding window, rear window right there. Denali embroidered in the headrest. Leather seats, perforated because the cooled seats, that's what you need for that. Factory GMC all-weather floor mats front to rear. You get the Denali under there. The seats are beautiful. The carpet's beautiful. Bose sound system, folding mirrors. And she is nice. Rear of the truck, seats are in great shape. All-weather floor mats in the rear. Headliner's in great shape. You get your oh shit handles right here. Driving a truck this big, you're gonna need them. Backup camera works great. Let's get the miles on this bad boy. All right, ready? It's gonna go to Bluetooth. I have to shut it off real quick. Come on, Miles. You can close the door and open it. 120,000, I think. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We'll cut this video short. 124.80. Maintain miles. Backup camera, navigation. all the apps on the system right here. Pop the hood, show you guys under the hood. There's the VIN number right there. You guys can see it. All-weather AVS rain guards on the front of the truck. Cab lights. I think those are Recon cab lights. I'm gonna pop the hood. Bullet style antenna right there. Nice little addition to it. Not even tall enough to reach the top of that. That's huge. S&B cold air intake system. Fluids are maintained and beautiful and good. Just got an oil change and inspection done. Everything's good to go. Here is all the goodies under the hood. So that's that. You get the sound resonator delete kit right there. What that does is when they block it off, put more of a box up there to lessen in the turbo sound. When you put that piece on there, you hear a lot more of a turbo spooling, and it sounds great. Shut the hood. Hood's in great shape. There's the top of the roof, and we'll go over there. There's your K&N filter inside there. So yeah, hope you guys liked the video, and this is Mark signing out. If you have any questions about it, you can, at the end of this link, you'll see the picture of the truck. The link, visit www.superiorwholesale.org. Call 540-898-3025. See you later.